Name's Vay from AI Evolved, and I said I was going to do this live stream tomorrow on my community tab, but I thought, why not just do it today? So in this live stream, we are going to be looking at the top 3 DALLE-3 GPTs. Now, for those of you who don't know, DALLE-3 is basically the competitor to Midjourney right now, and there's a few others like Adobe Firefly as well, which are excellent text-to-image AI tools. And in order to use DALLE-3, you have to have a gptplus account. So if you've got the 3.5 account, you'll only have access to DALLE-2, I believe. So yeah, you have to upgrade, and then of course you'll have access to that, as well as its corresponding GPTs. In this video, or in this stream rather, we are going to be looking at consistent characters, super describe, and this image edit merge type of thing that I'll do later on. So let's get into the first one, which is doing consistent characters. So how you find the GPTs first and foremost is you go here, you go to DALL-E, you scroll down, and you'll see under the DALL-E section here that you've got all these GPTs. So first up is, of course, that. So you click on that, and then you just get taken to that particular, you get taken to a particular chat thread, shall you say. And then you can start doing your thing there. So let's go back to this. So what I started with was that. You click here to get started, and then it asks you, should the character be male or female? So I said female. Please provide a name for the person and character. So Alexa, could you share details about the character? Age, country, hair, outfit, etc. So 21, Russian, brunette, evening dress. And then what style or theme would you like for the image? Here are some options to choose from. Pixar animation, photography, 2D flat illustration, anime, pastel. And I did photography. Now, I don't know about you, but those eyebrows are very reminiscent of Miranda Kerr. If we look at Miranda Kerr, those eyebrows are pretty much exactly the same. So they must have used Miranda Kerr or something for their particular training set, because it really does look like her. Now, like, what should be the first expression for Alexa? So I said neutral. And it changed a little bit from what she looks like there to what she looks like here. Or maybe it's just the lighting. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I did the next thing, which is just neutral face. Now she's neutral. And then smiling with her teeth showing. Smiling with her teeth showing. And then sad face. So she's sad. Glum there. Right? Now, very action. And then what action should Alexa be doing in the next image? Jumping. Now, she looks more like a Barbie doll there than an actual human. So that can be good and bad depending upon, of course, what you want to generate. But that's that. And then reading a book. So this is where it gets a little bit interesting. So I can imagine images like these in the future where you can use them for demonstrating certain products that you want to, sell, or that, you just want to show in action for specific clients. So it's good, but her hand position there is a bit unnatural. I'd expect it to be to the left side of the book there. But yes, it's done a fairly good job. I have to say that the job of the hair is absolutely remarkable. It's really in depth compared to what I see typically on Midjourney. So it's done a really good job there. And then I said pose a jump in again. So this is just a test, so you can't do the same thing again. And it can't come up with a different version of what you did previously. So that's a bit of a bummer. So I had to do something else. So a pose of her looking thoughtfully into the camera. And it did that. And then it says, would you like to explore more variations? So I just ended it there. Okay. And then I did a separate one. His name is George. So should the character be male or female? Male. Please provide a name for the person and character. And there's George. Could you share details about the character, age, country, hair, outfit? So 25, English, spiky hair, denim shirt and jeans. And then I went with Pixar animation this time, as opposed to photography. And that's what it came back with. So that is that. And yeah, I think it did a very good job there. Now, we are going to get into the next one, which is Super Describe. So this was taken from one of my previous live streams, which was photographic film types. So I did that. So what you do is you click this pin icon here, and then you can upload any image that you wish. And once you do, then you just click enter, press enter, and it comes back with its own corresponding prompt there. So it's a very long prompt. I'm not going to bore you by reading it out. be a bit too long. But that's what it came back with there. And I think it's really good. Let me know what you guys think after the fact. That'd be good. And then this one was Ghibli style. So this is like anime. I also did this in the last live stream where I was just focused on anime styles. And this is really interesting because it's got elements of a sketch going on there. But then it's like a nice kind of smooth, I don't know what the word for it would be. I guess just like anime traditional look. And this Ghibli art studio was founded in 1985 by Hayao Miyazaki. I think that's how you pronounce his name. And yeah, he basically then created this Ghibli style. And it's become renowned since then in Eastern anime. So it was to be similar to that. That's what I was trying to go for with that particular image. And then it came back with its own version here. Now, it's a lot more vivid with its colors. And it has lost a lot of originality with what I wanted to have initially. So that's a shame. But I think other than that, it did a good job for sure.